Hello, dear friends. Welcome to our channel. There is something truly peaceful about observing the wonders of nature. Today we are taking you to meet a very special monkey troop. The scenes you are about to witness, especially regarding their newest member, will surely warm your hearts. While you watch, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to join our family. A new member has joined our little forest troop. Since the moment this infant was born, the entire troop has been overflowing with joy. We often call them animals, but their parental affection is truly profound. Watching a mother cradling her baby to her chest perfectly illustrates the purity of maternal love. This little one is truly a blessing to the whole group. monkey world, protection is taken very seriously. The little one spends most of its time in the safe embrace of its mother. Moreover, the other elders in the troop watch over the baby with so much affection. If a stranger approaches, they are the first to step forward to protect the little one. Their unity and the love they show each other is something we can all learn from. So friends, we hope you enjoyed these beautiful scenes from the monkey family. We've truly realized today that such loving bonds exist in the animal kingdom as well. Stay tuned to our channel to watch more beautiful scenes like this. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you.